Welcome to a world where music meets innovation, where the possibilities of creativity are expanding. These incredible songs you're hearing were all brought to life by Suno, utilizing a simple yet powerful AI technology that's changing the way we create and enjoy music. Suno offers a text-to-music feature that introduces a variety of new enhancements and innovations, representing the forefront of the next generation of text-to-music AI. Even if you have no prior experience in song creation, you can effortlessly craft songs without any lyrics with just a few simple clicks. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. To begin, search Suno AI on Google to find the Suno AI website. Once you've located it, click to enter the suno.ai website. There, you'll find a Try the Suno Beta on Discord button. To use Suno's features, you'll need a Discord account, as Suno operates through Discord. If you already have a Discord account, you can join the Suno server. When you visit the Suno server site, click the Chirp 1 or any other Chirp X channel on the left side menu. At the bottom of the screen, you'll find an input box. Type, chirp, and press Enter. A pop-up menu will appear. In the Describe the Type of Music section, you can leave it on random, and Suno will automatically select a song style for you. For today, let's enter hip-hop. In the Enter Your Own Lyrics box, you can enter or paste your own lyrics if you have them. However, today we'll ask ChatGPT to generate the lyrics for us. Move down to the Or have ChatGPT make lyrics about box and input the song description. For example, we'll use a strong underground battle dance competition. You can enter more if you like. Then click Submit and wait for Suno to work its magic. Suno will generate 2 songs with the same lyrics. You can listen to both. If you prefer the first one and want Suno to generate more, click Continue 1 to generate the song further. Follow the same process, or you can enter your own lyrics. Today, we'll let ChatGPT do the entire job. We'll continue with a strong underground battle dance competition and click Submit. Suno will generate the next parts of the song. Once it's done, you'll have 2 songs to listen to. If you prefer one, click the heart icon, Heart 1, and Suno will generate the entire song for you. Then you'll have your song. If you want to continue, click Continue to keep going. Today, we'll click the red heart icon to finish the song. Suno will display the entire song for you. If you want to download it, click on Download icon. Then you can download it. Let's listen to it.
In the underground where legends collide, a battle of moves, no rules to abide. Sweat hits the floor, intensity ignites. Only the strong survive under these neon lights. Cancers bring the heat as the music pounds. Crowd goes wild, feel it up, energy surround. Breaking barriers, we're in our element. This underground battle where legends ascend. Welcome to the underground where the battles go down. A dance competition where champions are found. The energy ignites, bodies swaying in the night. As the spotlight shines, we bring the fire to the fight. Step up, get ready, show what you got. Feel the rhythm, let it flow, hit the spot. In this underground battle, we are going all in. Unleashing our talents, letting the music win.
Let's take a look at Suno's subscription plan. It has a free plan that offers 50 credits per day, which allows for nearly 5 chirps in one day for non-commercial use. Upgrade to the Pro plan for $8 a month to get 2,500 credits per month, 250 chirps, and generate content for commercial purposes. Thank you for watching. Hopefully, you have gained something today.